And welcome back, everyone. So, what are we unboxing today? Today, we'll first be looking at what is this? Jirachi's pin, the 2 booster pack. Yeah, that looks like it. Alright, so let's open this first. That's first. Normally, there's no additional plastic like that. Alright, so that's out. So our Jirachi pin. Why is it crying? Is it crying? Or is that just the design? Yes. Let me put that here. Alright, so our 2 booster packs. So we have Battle Styles and Fusion Strike. So let's open Battle Styles first. Here, side, great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Leaf Energy, Vendidi, Fly Score, Tool Jammer, Horsia, Mankey, Galarian Slowpoke, Fomantis, Remoraid, and our foil Luxio, and our rare for today, first rare Marowak. Alright, so let's open our Fusion Strike now. Nothing too exciting from that pack, so let's hope we get something nice from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so Steel, Alucha, Lapras, Schoolboy, Geodude, Sizzlipede, Klefki, Pansage, Wooloo, and our foil Phalanx. And our rare, ooh, a Greedent V. Nice. Is this half art or full art? I think it's half art. A Greedent V. Alright, so we got a good pull there. Alright, so our next pack we have our Eevee Promo with 3 Astral Radiance booster pack and 1 Charizard coin. So let's open this here. Ooh. Almost forgot about the promo card. So, our Eevee Promo. It's a nice design. So let me put that here. Right. So our Tree Astral Radiance booster pack. Ooh, we got all 3 pack. Samurott, Typhlosion, and Decidueye. Yes, Decidueye. Alright, Charizard. Coin. What's that do? Alright, let's start with Decidueye. Alright, 4 to the front. Water, Featherball, Hippowdon, Quilava, Psyduck. I was actually checking for the number because these Pokemon's kind of line up with Pokemon Legends. Togepi, but that one has Magnemite. That one has 242 in the Pokedex. Ralts, this one has 189, unless there's some secret rare. Hisuian Sneasel. Heavy Ball. Oh, that's our foil for this pack here. And our rare, a Leafeon. Going nicely with our Eevee there and our Sylveon over there. Put that there. Alright, so we got a good pull there with a Leafeon on a pack. One, two, three, four. Alright, so that's Dark Energy, a Whiscash, Temple of Sinnoh, Ursaring, Hoot, Kricketot, Sudowoodo, Combi. Whoa, what just happened? Drifloon, and is that, what is this? Is this, what kind of rare is this? It's so TG11, TG30. Wow, what a pull. Bronzong. Is this rainbow rare? What a pull. Is there another one? Oh, and there is a Hisuian Arcanine. What a pull from this pack. What a pull. Alright. So let's continue with the next pack. So that's our V card indicator. Gardenia's Vigor, Whiscash again, Temple of Sinnoh, Swinub, Hisuian Quillfish, Petalil, Nickit, Hippopotas, and our foil Poochyena. And our rare for the pack is a Keldeo. A Keldeo. Nice. That's actually not a bad pull. Leafeon, Bronzong, Arcanine, and Keldeo. And our promo Eevee. Nice. So next we're moving on to Sylveon Promo. Let's see if I will drop Sylveons. Somebody please remind me not to. Alright, so I guess a pin. Alright, so take your time. Alright, so another Charizard. So take your time, take it out. I got 2 of these BQI this time. Samurott. Yes, I'm trying my best not to drop Sylveon. Alright, so we didn't drop her. And our Sylveon Promo. Very furious looking. Alright, so I'm gonna rest that here. So our final 3 packs. Let's start with this one here. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's like Energy, Magneton. I think we had a Magnemite earlier. Spicy Seasoned Curry. Gardenia's Vigor. Ponyard. That's a new design from the old one. Puchiana. Yanma. Drifloon. Sudowoodo. I guess our foil should be coming up next. Yes. So Cancel in Cologne. Our foil for this pack. And our rare is Shaman. I actually like Shaman. In the game, Pokemon Legends, I like using him. He has some nice grass type moves and even flying type move. I think it's the Aurelius. Aurelius or something of that sort. Alright, so our second pack. Fighting Energy. Trekking Shoes. Golduck. Grunt. Route. Hisuian Sneasel. Misdreavus. Babuch, Scyther. And our foil, Hisuian Basculin. And our rare is going to be Mamoswine. I was actually gonna use Mamoswine as my my ice type Pokemon in Pokemon Legends, but then I switched over to Frostlass. So our final pack, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Energy, Noctowl. So I think we had a Hoothoot earlier. Unidentified Fossil. Is that a Sunstone? Dartrix. I thought it was Flame, but that just was feathers. Ponyard again. Eevee, another version of Eevee. continuing. Heracross. Teddy Ursa. I think we had Ursa Ring also earlier. Mantine. Bishard, the evolution of Ponyard, and that's our foil for this pack. And our rare is going to be Regice. Nice. And the music in the background just fits in nicely with that Regice. Yeah, so we had a good pull today. So what did we get today? We had a Regice. What did we pull from here? Was there anything good from here? Oh, the Mama Swine. Anything good from here? That was Shaman, right? Then our Leafeon, our Bronzong, Caldeo, our Greedent V, and what was our rare for this one here? Or Marowak. It was a good pull. Alright, thank you guys.